Good morning, Marty. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, bud. I see sun poking through those trees this morning. Good morning, Tux. Hey, buddy. Stripe. Hey, bud. Yep, you guessed it. Everybody's here. Hi, Morris. Hi, Marty. Hi. Why are you over here scared this morning? Hi. You okay? I know it's nice and warm, but it's not that cold. Come get some breakfast. Did you have a run-in with somebody? I don't see any mussed up hair. The girls are here. Hey, Gray. Hey, Gray. It must be that time again. When I get home, I'm gonna blow the leaves. Did I say that already? We've got the park to ourselves this morning. I wonder if it'll be Mow Monday up at South Park, though. Guess we'll find out. Duke's Root Control Incorporated. We're actually, yeah, we're actually getting spit on just a little bit out here this morning. We didn't have any idea that would be happening. I can certainly hear our creek down there this morning moving a little faster today. And there is a noticeable more amount of leaves on the trail this morning. These are almost all tulip poplar leaves. Almost. Feels nice out here this morning. I do see the grass mowing crew up here, but they haven't started yet. Maybe we got 15 more minutes. Maybe we can get through before they get serious. Maybe he'll head to down to the lower ball field first and not up near the track. And yes, Don went to pick up that trash. He remembered to bring a baggie this morning for his hand, and we take turns, but he grabbed that. Which is good of him, of course. Transportation bond, huh? I'll have to go, Parks and Rec bond. I'll have to go read up on it. There's a little taste of history. It's a Ford. I don't know specifically what Ford. So they've already mowed over here, just not down there. But, you know, somebody will be coming through shortly with the blower. So I saw on the Tesla Owners North Carolina Facebook page this morning that at least one person in the group has gotten the FSD beta. Came out at like 2, 3 a.m. this morning. They've put it on and they're excited. Yay for them. I confirm Ruby has no update. She still has a score of 99. I am happy for them. I'm just a little sad for me. It'll be interesting to see if they wait a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You know, how long they wait before they allow the 99s to have it. Obviously, I'm hoping for sooner than later. I'm not recording much because it's windy and you'll hear a lot of wind noise. That was our third run though, our scoreboard to scoreboard. Second time around the track run. Keep my heart in a good place. Don says next time we go to Hemlock Lux, we're gonna walk it in reverse. So we go uphill first and get our heart moving. That's what he says. Although I had enough exercise minutes yesterday. I had a perfect week. I got all 3 rings on all 7 days. My watch went crazy at like 7 p.m. last night and informed me of this thing. The van's an Aerostar. I saw it coming around the back of it on the first lap. It's in good condition. I mean, if it runs, it runs.
Okay, 6,088 steps. I picked up a lot of trash today.
Yep.
Let's see, our 2.75 miles, 1935 average per mile.
Okay.
Which again is because we were stopping and picking up a lot of trash.
Yep, there was extra stuff today. But we were lucky and found a couple of Dollar General bags along the way, and that actually was a benefit today.
Yeah, I got a new thing on my phone that blows it up.
I don't know if they can see that or not, but it supersizes the text form.
Yeah, so I got a new thing so I can tap the little man and it makes it bigger. Because an old guy like me needs help. Anyway, I guess I'll run back to the house.
Don is treating his head from the dermatologist with some cream.
Yeah, some of this stuff is supposed to
prevent skin cancer.
Yeah, it's a form of chemotherapy type stuff.
Yeah, it's supposed to kill off anything that might not be good stuff. And I can see his nose is showing signs of. After he does it for 2 weeks, if there's no redness in the area, he can discontinue. But wherever there's redness, and I would say that's his whole nose,
4 weeks.
He's got to keep it up for 4 weeks.
Yeah.
He's been doing it on and off for 3 years now.
Yeah.
And so nothing to be worried about, but I figured you'd think, why is he putting sunscreen on top of his head? He went all summer without it, and now he's putting sunscreen on. It's not sunscreen.
Yeah, twice a day.
Twice a day, poor guy. Yeah. You could feel sorry for him. It's not fun.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you back at the house. Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss. I can't consistently get Jules to open with the key card without taking it out of my flip belt. So if my phone's not dead, I just opened up the app, switched to Jules, and unlocked the car that way. And that's just working better for me. I guess it's Thanksgiving Day, Columbus Day up in Canada. Happy Thanksgiving to any Canadian viewers. I've seen on Facebook a few friends, and they've had some nice looking baked goodies. And the kitty cat's on the timer, and the kitty cat's coming up. I see I got a new hibiscus bloom down here. By the way, look at how nice this pot that I did earlier this year did. Those 3 things that I put in there, they seem really happy. Must have got enough water, all that good stuff. This is probably the last hibiscus of the season. Oh, there's one more bloom. Don probably put some Miracle Grow on it. He's been mixing Miracle Grow in. So that's cool. Hi, Mart! Marty wants to not be angry at me about all the eardrops, but you know, it has been a little bit of a thing. Poor guy. Hi, buddy. You're a good boy. Hi, sweetie. As so often happens, after I blow, I decide the grass needs cutting, and it can be mow grass Monday here also. So yeah, I'm gonna get out there and do that. It's mostly the front yard. Well, I think it's looking good down there. Not that it looked bad before, but it's better. Besides mowing, I did a lot of pulling of that thick, long, weedy grass out of the canna lily area. Actually, just behind the canna lilies, you can't really see. And I got the bench cushion back on, and I moved that other cushion into the catio up top. Tux will like that. And re-blew the few areas that got dirty after I mowed that I had already blown, but it wasn't very much. And walked down to the steelworks and back with Johnny with a couple of trash bags and picked up beer bottles and all kinds of junk along the way. So I have 16,000 steps now, and I can feel free to rest the rest of the afternoon. Hi. Try this. This is Slate in her mama's chair. She came out from underneath where she's been sleeping a lot and jumped up here. Well, that's nice. Where's Mama? I'm sure she'll be back. I need to order a 3rd heating pad today because it's going to be cold enough this weekend that they're actually necessary, and preferred would be a good idea. And I'm afraid the girls are going to take chair 1 and chair 2, and then Panther's chair, or whatever chair they're not in that he would hop up in, won't be warm. So I have time to get one here from Amazon before the weekend. Hi, Slate. I think she's put on a few ounces. Oh, that looks so much better with the leaves up. The boardwalk blown. And did I show? I don't remember. I'm so tired now. That I trimmed back the perennial border that goes down along the side of the driveway there past the cat. So, you know, it had died back for the year. Only thing is I got about 50 of the seeds, the little red seeds. Let's see, where is some of it? These seeds in my hair, and that was fun getting that out in the shower. That really was fun. Hi, Morris. You gonna go get on your bench or go for your afternoon siesta? He just came up to eat a little bit. Johnny wanted Tux inside. I came out to get Tux. Hi, Mart. Hi, honey. So I stuck the wooden pieces into the pumpkin. Don had to fix the one on the right for me. The little hinge stick-in was actually missing. I don't know how he fixed it, and I told him I didn't care as long as it would stay in there through Halloween. This was a guardian angel find last year, but I don't think I actually put it on a pumpkin. I'm pretty pleased with it. Sauteing onions and browning the Boston butt before I put the Instant Pot lid on and pressure cook it. This one's 4 pounds, so probably 90 minutes.